Hi, preschool. So hopefully you've seen my different abilities video, and included in the parent newsletter, Celeste Blau, Clementine's mom, she put a little letter in there about Clementine. And Clementine is a special girl, and she's super smart, and she speaks in sign language, and she's learning to talk, and she loves music, and she loves to play with her brother Phineas, and we've had her in class. This is the second year, and she's an awesome student. She also happens to have Down syndrome. And so what Clementine's mom, what Celeste suggested, and I thought it was a fabulous idea, is to show you that even though there might be a person with Down syndrome, they can still do everything that you can do. We wanted to show you what people with Downs can do. There are people with Downs all over the world that are doing amazing things. They're business owners, actors, and Clementine attends Gigi's Playhouse. You might have seen it on right in downtown Lakewood on Detroit, right in front of the library. And it's a Down Syndrome Achievement Center for people with Down syndrome. They can go there for social events, and they have all kinds of neat things there. And anybody can go. You know, anybody can go just to hang out. And there's a girl there, and I believe she's an adult, and she can read. People with Down syndrome, yes, indeed, they can read. And she is reading a book called There is a Bird on Your Head. I don't know if you've seen Mo Willems. He writes Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. He also writes a series called Elephant and Piggie. And we read this a lot in class, too. And so I'm going to read this to you just so you're familiar with it. And then in my next video, I'm going to post a video of Annie reading her book, and it's pretty amazing. So this is called There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. He did the words and the pictures. So there are Piggy and Elephant just hanging out, and wow, bird's going to land on his head. Oh! Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. What's on his head? Bird. There's a bird on your head! There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. So maybe they flew away. Now, there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Aww. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. One's flying away for a minute. I wonder where he's going. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? What do you think they're doing here? They're bringing sticks on his head. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Oh, Piggy knows. And then Elephant figures it out. Because birds usually need a nest for what? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh! How many eggs does he have? He has 3 eggs on his head. 1, 2, 3! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. Oh, the eggs are starting to move. What does that mean? They're hatching. What's going to come out? The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Poor elephant. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Ah. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Aww, and he's crying because he's so happy. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. Oh, look, he went to go get worms for the babies. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Whoa. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? And the birds go, no problem. It worked! They said bye, and they took the nest away. Now Elephant's happy. Because that might have been itchy with all that nest on your head. Maybe some bird poopy. Ew. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Oh, where'd the birds move? To Piggy's head. The end. And the thing I love about Mo Willems' books is because his first book was Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, and Don't Let the, something about a hot dog. Don't let the pigeon eat the hot dog, or don't let the chick eat the hot dog. Look, he always hides a pigeon in his books. Do you see the pigeon eating the hot dog? The end. So my next video, watch Miss Annie read this book. It's amazing. And just remember, everybody's special, everybody's important, and everybody can do things. Never underestimate anybody, right? Okay, bye.